You know that feeling, right? You're stuck at a red light, it's the middle of the night, there's not a single other car in sight, and you're just sitting there thinking, why won't this thing just change? It's a classic case of dumb infrastructure. But what if that light wasn't just on a simple timer? What if it could actually see and think and even talk to other lights?
Well, that's precisely the idea we're going to deconstruct today. We're diving deep into a concept for the future of our streets called the G2 Modern Traffic Signal System. We're going to break down exactly how this piece of smart infrastructure could totally revolutionize the way we move through our cities.
So, here's our roadmap. First, we're going to completely rethink what a traffic light is. Then, we'll dive into the networked AI brain that ties it all together. After that, we'll pop the hood and deconstruct the hardware, see what else it can do, and finally, we'll zoom out and look at the big picture for the future of our streets.
All right, let's jump right into part one, rethinking the traffic light. Because what we're talking about here goes way beyond just a pole with three colored light bulbs.
And here they are. This is our source material for this whole explainer, the original concept sketches for the G2 MTSS. You can pretty much think of these as the blueprints for a whole new way of managing traffic. Everything we're going to talk about comes straight from these designs.
So what is this thing exactly? Well, officially, the G2MTS is a smart, AI-controlled public safety system. And listen, the two most important words in that whole definition are AI-controlled and real-time. This thing isn't just a passive signal anymore. It's an active brain helping manage the flow of an entire city. And the difference is just night and day when you put them side by side. Traditional lights? They're bulky, they run on these dumb fixed timers, and fixing them is a massive disruptive headache. The G2 system, though, it's a completely different beast. It's got this sleek, thin, flat, weatherproof body, it's driven by actual AI in real time, and get this, it's got a modular, plug-and-play design for super easy repairs. We're talking a total upgrade across the board.
But look, one intelligent light is cool and all. The real power, the game changer, comes from the network. So now let's see how one of these smart signals connects up to an entire city.
And I think this drawing just perfectly illustrates the big idea here. You're not looking at a bunch of lonely traffic lights anymore. See, multiple signals team up to form what the design calls an MTS cluster. They all stream live data, we're talking video footage, sensor info, the whole deal, to a central AI hub that manages traffic for a whole area, not just one little intersection. And this network unlocks something huge, true, real-time AI traffic control. The system can actually manage congestion by watching live road feeds. It can analyze that footage to make smart decisions on the fly and synchronize lights across the entire city to create this incredibly smooth, efficient flow. It could even, say, clear a path for an ambulance automatically. It's a massive leap forward. Okay, so we've seen the big picture network. Now let's zoom all the way in. Let's really deconstruct the signal itself. What is actually going on inside one of these things?
These detailed sketches give us a fantastic look inside. I mean, you can see from that side view just how radical this design is. It is an incredibly thin, all-in-one unit. This isn't your old traffic light with a computer slapped onto it. The whole thing was re-engineered from the ground up.
And the heart of this new design is this: a smart TV-style digital display. So yeah, forget about separate red, yellow, and green bulbs. This is one single high-res screen that can display the signals, and, as you'll see in a second, a whole lot more. So let's run through the key components. You've got that thin, flat, weatherproof body we talked about. There's a camera cleverly concealed inside for that live stream. You've got integrated panels for all kinds of sensors and even audio devices. There's an internal battery pack so it never goes down, and of course, that modular port that makes repairs a total breeze. And this is where the design gets really, really smart. Because this thing wasn't engineered to be just a traffic light. No, it was designed from the start to be a public utility hub. See, because it's using that digital screen, it can show a ton of other useful stuff. The sketches show a dedicated info panel, a spot for the time, date, and weather, and it even has an integrated streetlight panel. It also folds in public access buttons and pedestrian controls, making it this one-stop shop for city hardware. So let's put it all together. How does this actually work minute by minute? It's a really simple but powerful loop. Step 1, the cameras and sensors on every unit are constantly gathering live traffic data. Step 2, all that data gets streamed to the central AI-powered MTSS cluster. Step 3, the AI analyzes traffic patterns, not just at one corner, but across the entire city. And finally, step 4,
The signal timing is instantly optimized and zapped right back to be displayed on that screen. It's a constant, intelligent feedback loop. Okay, so let's pull all the way back out again and look at the real impact here. What does all of this actually mean for the future of our streets? Well, it's all about intelligent infrastructure.
And I think this quote just absolutely nails the philosophy. The smartest cities don't just have smart cars, they have smart intersections that talk to each other. That right there is the paradigm shift, moving intelligence from just being inside the car to being part of the road itself. So when you look at all of this together, you realize the G2 MTSS isn't just a better traffic light, it's way more than that. It's a foundational building block for a city that's more responsive, more efficient, and ultimately a whole lot safer for everyone.
And that really leaves us with one last question to chew on. If our traffic lights are getting this smart with AI and sensors and real-time data, what part of our city is going to become intelligent next?